Hey everybody, we're installing plywood shutters on the house and getting ready for Hurricane Ian this time around. And we have new plywood because the old plywood that we had from Hurricane Irma long since rotted away, but we still have these nice Tapcon holes in the wall where those were. We don't want to make new holes, but we need to transfer this hole to the plywood. So the problem is when you put the plywood over it, you can't find the hole. You know, you don't want to be drilling a bunch of holes around here, or you put a marker in there with some lipstick or something. You got to move it back and forth, try to find the hole, bring it down, drill the hole, but not perfect. Pain in the butt. Well, I built myself let me get my hand on long enough, hole finder, aviation style hole finder that's usually used in finding holes in sheet metal, but have a rivet on the end. In this case, I have a little countersunk screw with a T-nut from a 3D printer or something I had laying around, but just two rulers, a little wood spacer taped together. And how it works is simple. You're going to place this in the hole in the wall and use that mark to mark the hole on the plywood. So I'm going to slide this back here, hook it in the wall, hook it in the hole, push the wood back, line it up, mark the hole, take out my hole finder. There you are. I'm not going to bore you with drilling a hole, but you're going to drill a hole there, and it's going to be a perfect matchup every time. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching.